Hi, I'm Meeta Shetty, Fund Manager with Tata Mutual Fund. Today we'll be talking about Tata Digital India Fund. This is a sectoral fund which invests in companies which are into information technology or IT as we call it. The spectrum under this sector is wide. It includes pure IT services, software and hardware companies, as well as new age companies like technology platforms, e-commerce, fintech, etc. The fund also has the option to invest in overseas listed IT companies. In fact, we already have around 5% allocation to the overseas stocks. The IT sector has been one of the best performing sectors over the last 2 years. This was driven by increasing need to spend on IT. The pandemic has brought the need to go digital at the forefront. Digital adoption has seen a quantum leap and is likely to remain elevated for the next few years. This means that there is large opportunity of growth for the IT companies. India, on the other hand, has one of the largest base of quality IT talent in the world, and the offshore-based companies have the best access to this talent. Additionally, deep expertise, presence across technologies like cloud, digital, in multiple domain areas, and the best-in-class execution make India well-suited to enable a holistic digital transformation for clients. The recent narrative on the US recession and the increasing interest rates has led to some correction in the sector. The coming few months will give us more clarity on the global economies as well as the pace of IT spends. However, the visibility from a 3 to 5 year perspective remains strong given the long runway for cloud migration, digitization, shift in almost all sectors towards more technology-led ecosystem. Whether be it financial services, automobile, auto components, cap goods, FMCG, to even oil and gas, consumer fuels, metals, minings, etc. As far as the approach to managing this fund is concerned, the current investment approach is to have a healthy mix of steady compounders and alpha generating opportunities based on growth and value. There can be times when the portfolio might be skewed towards either of the buckets depending on the outlook and the valuation. Around the pandemic times, we saw alpha opportunities in the mid and small space and started positioning accordingly. As these opportunities played well, it helped us generate alpha for our investors. As of now, we are skewed towards compounders as we expect some correction on the valuations for the sector. While the fund gives the investors the opportunity to take part in the digitization happening globally, one should also keep in mind that the sectoral funds are cyclical in nature. Hence, the investor should have a minimum investment horizon of 2 to 3 years and an appropriate risk appetite. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.